Home Remedies presents the best one ingredient face mask to get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. Hey guys, I have been very fond of buying the expensive products out there for my skincare till I realized that there's absolutely no need to spend money on expensive products to keep your skin looking firm and fresh. All you need is your kitchen pantry. Yes, today I will share with you a secret that I usually do when I am short of time and need an instant glow and lift on my face for a party. All this with just an egg. First, let's see how to do it. Ingredients: 1 egg. Beat 1 raw egg, mixing the egg white and egg yolk together to make a smooth paste. Now apply the mixture to the face and leave it on until it dries. Once dried, wash the face with lukewarm water and voila! You will be surprised by the instant lift on your face. For best results, apply at least once or twice a week. About the ingredient. Raw eggs are incredibly nourishing for your skin. Egg yolk is made up of mostly water and fats, which makes it a great water binding agent that locks moisture into your skin cells, leaving your face soft, hydrated, and prevent wrinkles, while the protein-rich egg white can help tighten the skin. Believe me, eggs are great for erasing fine lines and achieving a youthful glow on your skin. So what are you waiting for? Just go in your kitchen, grab an egg, and try out this remedy. Let me know in the comments. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.